The government has taken decisive action to suspend all activities associated with the cryptocurrency venture called Worldcoin. Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki expressed the government's apprehension towards this controversial project, which has already attracted thousands of Kenyan participants. The suspension will remain in effect until relevant authorities verify that there are no security risks involved. According to a statement issued by CS Kindiki, various security, financial services, and data protection agencies have initiated inquiries and investigations to determine the authenticity and legality of Worldcoin's operations. They are also evaluating the safety and protection of the data being collected, and how it will be utilized by the project's administrators. It is essential for the public's safety and the integrity of financial transactions involving a large number of citizens to be assured up front. Any individual found assisting or participating in the activities of Worldcoin during the suspension will face legal consequences as per the law. Worldcoin, which is owned by American artificial intelligence research company OpenAI, requires individuals to register by scanning their iris, and in return, they receive 25 free WLD tokens. Currently, these tokens are valued at around 7,000 shillings. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, the mastermind behind the Worldcoin project, has faced severe criticism for potential privacy breaches. However, the company's website claims that the project is completely private, and that data is either deleted or stored in encrypted form, based on the user's preference. Despite some participants admitting that they are not fully aware of what cryptocurrency entails, a large number of Kenyans flocked to the Kenyatta International Conference Center, KICC, for 2 consecutive days to sign up for the project. The overwhelming response, with approximately 350,000 Kenyan sign-ups, led the police to intervene due to concerns about security risks. Immaculate Kasite, the data commissioner, is currently conducting an assessment of Worldcoin's practices to ensure compliance with the law, especially regarding data protection. The government's firm action and ongoing investigations reflect their commitment to safeguarding the interests and data of Kenyan citizens in the face of emerging technologies like cryptocurrencies. As the situation unfolds, it is crucial for all parties involved to address any security and privacy concerns to ensure the responsible and ethical deployment of such initiatives in the future. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.